Here's how to use Swipewipe, which you can actually get for free in the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, when you click on it, you can basically use this to quickly go through all of your photos. If you have a ton of photos on your phone, you basically just click on continue a few times, and it's going to ask you what your age is if you would like to put this to actually set up your app, just to get it to know you a little bit better. And depending on how many photos you have on your phone, you basically want to select that option right here. And you basically want to choose how often you want to clean up your camera roll. In doing so, it makes it really easy to do because you can actually go through these different photos through different categories just by clicking on continue like so. And you can basically try it completely for no cost at the very beginning. Now, it's only for 3 days, then it costs $10 a week. So it's important that you act fast when using this, unless you do want to pay every week to cancel at any time. Once you've got Swipewipe, you can actually just click on continue like so and allow access to your entire camera roll, where you can actually click on continue once again. You don't need notifications, and you can actually see it'll bring you to this page like so, where you simply want to click on the category of the photos that you first want to go through, whether it be a certain time period or a certain type of photo like screenshots, videos, or just selfies, and you just want to click on the option that you want to pick. In doing so, when you click on this, you can actually see all of these different photos, which you can basically swipe to one side to delete, to the left side to delete like so, and you can swipe to the other side if you want to keep it like so. Now in this case, I want to keep this one and delete this one, so I'm going to swipe left. And you can basically do this for all of your photos and hold down on the image to actually see the information, how much gigabytes it takes up, when it was taken, what time, and on what photo it was taken at. And you can basically do this for all of your photos like so. And when you're actually happy with how many photos you've done, you can basically go back to the option in this arrow in the top left hand corner and go back into any of these other categories, such as December 2014, or whatever year and month you would like to go through like so. Now, most of the time you want to start with your oldest photos at the very top, and you can get to the very newest, most recent ones if you scroll to the very bottom of this page. Or you can swipe to the side to view different categories and different information on the Swipewipe app. It's all you need to do to use the Swipewipe app, and they'll automatically delete the photos from your camera roll if you just go back onto your camera roll just by using this app like so.